Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to link website to Pinterest pin. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open your Pinterest application. Make sure you have logged in into your account. Now tap on the plus icon, then simply go ahead and tap on Create Pin. Let's just say I want to create a pin with this, and then go ahead and tap on Next. Now you can update your title, then description. Now you will see Add a Website option. Over here, you can type anything your pin is related to. You can add YouTube link, Google link, or any link that go with your pin. You have to make sure that it is the link where you want to take people at, and go ahead and tap on Add Link. Now when I tap on the link, this website appears. Now tap Next, and you can go ahead and save it to a board. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.